In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Vercel branch. In order to do that, you first need to head over to vercel.com and then from in there, proceed to click on the sign up option in order to create an account. Now, if you already signed up, you should be able to have an account so you can just log in. However, if you want to create an account and also deploy your project at the same time, just click on the Start Deploying option. I'll head over and log in into my account. Here is my actual dashboard. Here is my team and here is my project. In order to change your Vercel branch, you need to access your project settings. So make sure to open your project first and click onto the settings option that we can see right here. Once you're there, proceed to scroll down and on your left sidebar you can find the Git option. So click onto this right here. From in there, you can scroll down. You can see your Git repository, pull requests, comments, LFS, as well as the hooks right here. And here we have the branches. So if you want to change your Vercel branch, you can head over and revoke the one that you want to change first. Let's click on this revoke, and that will be removed. Now enter right here the name, and then enter right here the branch. Then click on this create hook, and after that the branch has now been added, and this is actually a new Vercel branch that we have available. Once you're done with this, you can copy it and send it to people, or you can also just head over and save the progress that you have made so far. You can also change the behavior that this deployment will have using these options that we can see right here. So just input and change this and save it according to your liking as well. So in there, you can see that you can learn more about these hooks and this branch that you have available. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.